Right, we're looking at inequations. So very similar to solving equations. There's just one thing that's a little bit different that I'll show you shortly. But an inequation has a less than or greater than sign in the middle there instead of an equal sign. So we'll solve this one. We'll do it the same. So we'll get rid of the plus 8 first by subtracting 8. And so we've got 3x, that disappears. And negative 6 minus 8 is negative 14. So we're going to get the 5x over to the left-hand side. So we're going to subtract 5x from both sides. So 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. That disappears and we're left with negative 14. Okay, this is where it changes. So if you divide or you multiply by a negative number, then you change the sign around. So a less than becomes a greater than and vice versa. So here we have to divide by negative 2 to get rid of it. So because we're dividing by a negative number, we flip that less than or equal sign to a greater than or equal sign. So that flips. And negative 14 divided by negative 2 is 7. So x is now greater than or equal to 7. That's the only difference with solving an equation. This one here, we've got a promotions company planning a concert. They're expecting 20,000 people and want to make at least 700,000 in ticket sales. So they want to make 700,000. So we need the cost, the people, times the cost of the ticket. So let x be the cost of a ticket. Okay, so we need to know how much we need to charge them. So we want that to be at least. So it has to be greater than or equal to 700,000. So to find out what x is, we just divide by 20,000 and we end up with x has to be greater than or equal to 35. So for them to make that 700,000, that x, the ticket price, has to be at greater than or equal to 35. So the cost of a ticket has to be at least $35. And remember, write your answer in a context. And that's the answer.